Welcome to this video tutorial on Searchsploit, a powerful tool included in Kali Linux. This tool is essential for penetration testers and security researchers to efficiently find and analyze exploits. Let's dive in. Searchsploit is a command line tool that provides offline access to the ExploitDB database. It allows you to search for exploits based on various criteria, such as software, platform, and vulnerability type. This is invaluable when you don't have internet access or need to quickly find relevant exploits. Let's start with a basic search. To search for exploits related to a specific software, you can simply type Searchsploit software name. For example, Searchsploit Opench. Searchsploit will display a list of exploits matching your query, including the exploit title, platform type, and file format. Narrator. To get more specific results, you can combine multiple search terms. For instance, Searchsploit Opench Windows will search for Opench exploits targeting Windows systems. Searchsploit offers several options to refine your search. You can use the T flag to search by exploit title, P to copy an exploit to the clipboard, and M to save it to a file. To update the ExploitDB database, use the U flag. This ensures you have the latest exploits available. You can also search by specific vulnerability identifiers, such as CVE numbers, by using the C flag. Searchsploit is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your penetration testing and security research capabilities. By mastering its usage, you can efficiently find and exploit vulnerabilities. Remember to use this tool responsibly and ethically. Here are some additional tips. Always verify the exploit before using it in a live environment. Consider using virtual machines for testing. Stay updated with the latest exploits and security patches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tutorials.